Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to archive Notion pages. So this page right here, I'll go ahead and archive it and show you. Okay, first come here to your private section and create a new page. And we will right click here, okay, and rename this to archived. Okay, so this is private. No one else can access this. So here I have my page and my Fiverr affiliate team space. And if I want to archive this, okay, it's very easy. So you just hold on to this. So now we're able to drag this, as you can see, right? I can drag this, and what I'll do is I'll drag this to archived. So I'll drag it here and I'll leave it. So we'll move this to private. Okay, only we will be able to access this. No one in the team will be able to access this archived page, which we have right here. And it's really that easy and simple.